Hi everyone. Let's start with the next section, writing bash to win and profit. This section will help power users to get an idea on how to perform certain tasks with shell scripts. These tasks include creating syslog entries using the logger command, taking backups, and some more. In this section, we will learn to copy contents from a website, make a simple IRC chatbot logger, block IP addresses, play and manage audio from command line, create a simple NAT firewall with DMZ using IP tables, parse GitHub projects, create backups using rsync, monitor device events, the system's battery life and power events, and use chroot for security. Let's begin with the first video that deals with creating a lame utility HTTP server. In this video, we will discuss the curl tool in Linux. The curl tool is used for transferring the data from or to a server. It supports many protocols, and HTTP is one of them. It has so many tricks to offer, such as HTTP post, FTP post, user authentication, proxy support, file transfer, SSL connections, cookies, and similar. Besides having a terminal open, you need to ensure that you have curl installed on your system. We will learn about HTTP GET and POST methods using curl in Linux. Now we will see examples of GET and POST method. The HTTP GET method is used to request the data from a specified source. Let's get ready to code. This command is the example of HTTP GET and is accepting JSON formatted data. Here we have used the -x option and specified the request. -h specifies the header. Let's execute it. The output is spontaneously generated on the terminal. Let's look at another example of HTTP GET method. This is another command which will be accepting XML formatted data. On executing this command, we will get this as an output. Moving on to the POST method. The HTTP POST method is used to send the data to server. It is used to create as well as update a resource. Now we will look at a simple POST example. For that, we will add and execute this command. In this command, the double -data flag is used for the POST request. In the simple example, we are just posting the simple data. As you can see, the command is executed successfully. After that, we will run this curl command to upload a file. Here, we are uploading files using the -t option. Again, we will get to see that the command is executed successfully and the file is uploaded. That's all for this video.